This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell. Hi guys, I'm Mindset Coach Laudiaann Sylvest, and you guys probably wondering what nationality I am. Well, you know what? I'm Filipino. I was born in the island of Maui. And my parents used to play ukulele. My dad was a ukuleleist, so he knew how to play by ear. Anything you wanted to hear on a ukulele, he knew how to do it. Like me, my instrument is the flute. So whatever you want me to play, I will play it for you. Whatever you want to hear, I can just pick up the tune and just play it for you. Now, I don't know very much about the ukulele, but I learned when I was a young little girl from my mother and my dad. I used to watch my dad. My fingers are, because I'm now 60, my fingers are not as flexible like before. But I want to share with you guys a song. Let me see. What should I play for you guys? I will play a Hawaiian song for you guys that... okay. Ila atawa iwa ila eo henala apila kuwaluala pu atuila uyete atuila hanalipa itapa ilai tawa ila atawa iwa ila eo henala apila kuwaluala pu atuila uyete atuila hanalipa itapa ilai awe tawa ila ila awe ta'wa ila awe ta'wa ila e uhena apila kuwala wala atuila wete atuila hanalipa itapa ilai ta'wa ila e uhena apila kuwala wala atuila wete atuila hanalipa itapa ilai This is Mindset Coach Laudiaann Sylvest. In this video, I'm going to make some green smoothies, really healthy drink. So I'm going to make some for both of my sons that live here with me. I'm making it with romaine lettuce here, as you can see, romaine lettuce. I got some spinach, blackberry, raspberry, peaches and blueberries. And so I'm gonna mix it up with some Coconut Beach 100% coconut water, and I am going to make it right now. Alright guys, I have put some of the fruits in the bottom, the lettuce and my spinach. I'm gonna pour some coconut water. Mix it up with some water. My ninja. Okay, now I'm gonna get ready to plug this in, and we are going to make our smoothie. Then let me put some ice in. Alright, I'm going to put a few cubes of ice so it stays chilled. I'm trying to bring my ice out. Very hard to do. What is this? And of course I would like mine too. Alright, I'll have the pink cup. I'm gonna make 3 smoothies. Green, blue, and pink. Okay, now I'm gonna pour. So mix it up a little bit. Pour it in a green cup. Blue cup. Just right. This one needs ice. Alright, I'm gonna call my sons to get theirs. Chris and Tony! Here's yours, Chris.
Thank you.
Here's yours, Tony. I'll put ice in it.
You talking to somebody?
I'm making a video. There's the smoothie.